Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for beginners. To begin, focus on foundational vocabulary and basic grammar rules. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to active listening and speaking practice. Immerse yourself in simple English media, such as children's shows or beginner podcasts, to build familiarity. This consistent approach will lay a strong groundwork for your language journey, making learning both effective and enjoyable. To build your core English skills, start by mastering the 1,000 most common English words. Understand basic sentence structures and essential verb tenses like present, past, and future. Utilize flashcards and spaced repetition systems for efficient memorization, reviewing new words frequently. This systematic approach ensures a solid understanding of the language's building blocks, making complex concepts easier to grasp later on. For daily practice, listen to short English conversations or engaging children's stories. Actively repeat phrases allowed to refine your pronunciation and natural speech rhythm. Consider finding a language partner for 10 to 15 minutes of daily conversation practice. This consistent interaction will significantly boost your confidence and fluency, helping you apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios effectively. To truly immerse yourself, watch English cartoons or simple news reports, initially with English subtitles. Regularly read short English articles or engaging children's books to expand your comprehension. Crucially, dedicate at least 30 minutes every single day to active English study. This consistent effort and broad exposure are the keys to accelerating your progress and achieving lasting fluency in the language.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.